a bit high on the feet.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and good morning. This is a wonderful Friday. So it is Friday. I am going to be vlogging a day in the life video for you guys because I know you guys have been wanting me to keep bringing those to my channel. So I'm trying to be more consistent with the videos that I know you guys like, and this is one of them. Right now, we are actually running out the door. We are taking Ava to preschool. She goes to preschool Wednesday through Friday, full days, 3 full days now, and that started officially this past week. I'm gonna make my coffee. We're gonna get on the road and get this day started. On the road. Here is Ava's outfit of the day. Do you want to say hi, friends?
Hi.
Hi, guys. So we both have a messy bun going on just because Mom is in a hurry. And there's Remy. Hi. It is your puppy. So, and then she has her white shorts on. She has this little top. I think this is Cat and Jack from Target. Those shoes are Cat and Jack from Target. I just got this new shirt from a Instagram fashion line. So I will get that information and I will put that here because they really have a lot of cute t-shirts. You guys know I love my t-shirts, especially my printed ones. And it just says Mom of 2 and it has that pink blush. And then I just have white shorts on that I got from Rue 21.
Ava night, Mommy and Ava.
We're matching, yeah. And then I just have my little flip-flop shoes from Target. And then this is her new backpack from Cat and Jack. It was like $12.99 from Target. It is so stinking cute to me. All right, you guys, so I'm back home. I just dropped Ava off and I am going to get ready. I'm gonna do my hair a little bit because I seriously haven't even brushed my hair. I threw it in a clip. So it is what it is. But yeah, I need to do my hair, and then I have been making a point now. I decided to get back in my routine that I once was doing, and that is kind of picking up and cleaning up in my room and the bathroom and stuff like that beginning of the day, just to make sure that everything's clean and I can eliminate any kind of clutter or huge messes, because you guys know this place gets messy. Oh, and I want to tell you that I have partnered up with a company called Ava Bracelet, and yes, it's the same name as Ava, but I'm sure they pronounce it Ava Bracelet. It's actually a fertility bracelet that helps you keep track of your women's health, our periods, if we're trying to get pregnant, things like that. So they actually sponsored this video, and I am excited to show you guys because this thing has been a game changer for me, and I'm sure if you're trying to get pregnant, it's really gonna be a game changer for you. So I always have it plugged in on the side of my bed during the day, but at night I wear it on, oh, there's my pile of clothes. No, at night I wear it. You have to wear it for a minimum of 4 hours a night. This tracks my sleep, and for me that's very beneficial because I'm in a weight loss journey and I work out, and I am eating in a calorie deficit and things like that. So I need to make sure I'm getting enough sleep. So sometimes it says I got 4.5 hours to 6 hours of sleep, and I think once it said 9 hours of sleep, but that was once last week. So the way you do it is in the morning, I'll wear it through the night, and then in the morning I'll plug it in on my little nightstand right here, and it has this cool app. So it just says, hello Lindsay, the last date you synced, and it says my cycle day because I am on the 7th day of my period. So it tracks all of that stuff, you guys. It tracks your period. It tells you if you're in low fertility. So if you're trying to get pregnant, it's a big deal. So Friday, June 8th, low fertility, just because where I'm at in my cycle, of course, or insight on your health. Just to have a better idea we should know about our health, especially as women, especially as we get older and things like that. So that's what it looks like there. That's the graph that I read every morning. After plugging it in, it will show each day. I do have a $20 off coupon code for you guys. That'll be down in the description box along with the link to check out the Ava bracelet.
Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light, giving been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home.
Okay, so I figured I'd just go ahead and stop the cleaning video and just do the socks with you guys. Kind of like a laundry chat, and I don't think I've ever done one of those. I might have done it once, I don't remember, but I see them around all the time. Katie Satilli, she's done quite a few, and Kimberly from Style Mom XO. And I think they're so cute and fun. You just kind of chill and chit chat together and do laundry. Do you guys have this problem of like missing socks? And no matter how many loads I do, like I can do the rest of the laundry right now and still have missing socks. Still have like the missing match. So anyway, I did want to go ahead and show you guys my what I got Shanam for Father's Day so far. I just got him a couple of things so far. I'm not gonna go all out because we try not to go too much for Mother's Day and Father's Day because it's right after our anniversary. It's after both of our birthdays, Ava's birthday. So yeah, everything just kind of hits in the last couple months, like back to back. So it's like we don't need any like extravagant gifts. Shanam actually just got me this necklace for my birthday in April. I don't know. Okay, yeah, so there that is. And that was a big surprise. So I got it for my birthday, and then we had our anniversary like a month later. And so I was just like, we're not going to do too much for everything because he invested in this and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, I'm not having much luck with these socks. Like I said, there's not even any matching, literally. I need matches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the products I use. I just used this old curling iron from Pro Beauty Tool, this Chi 44 iron guard. So this is a thermal protection spray. So it's basically a heat protectant. You want to make sure that you're using a heat protectant before you straighten or flat iron your hair. And then the other product I use is from Chi, and it is Silk Infusion. So this is just a little like oil that I put on my hair once I'm done doing it, and it kind of helps with the frizzes and shines it and makes it look a little bit better. I don't always use it because it leaves my hair kind of greasy. So sometimes I use it if my hair is like just got washed or something like that. And then I always just use like this little clip here to put my hair up when I do it because it's better than using a hair tie. I've been really trying to use hair clips instead of hair ties for the health of my hair. So anyway, my hair's a little bit greasy. I'm gonna spray it. So basically, sometimes in my videos, my camera, this DSLR, the lens is broken, so the video clip will come out blurry. Like right now, I can't tell if it's blurry on my face until I put it in editor. And then I notice like when I'm talking sometimes at the beginning of cleaning videos that the whole talking part was blurred. Like my face was blurry and not in focus, and that really, really sucks. So my lens is just broken now, so the automatic doesn't work like it should, so it doesn't like zzz, zzz. I don't know how good you guys can see this, but I just want to explain to you how I curl my hair to make the beach wave. And I just pull out a piece here, and then I comb through it. I'll grab it from closest to my head, and then I'll bring it down all the way to about here, and then I'll leave some hair out. So you're gonna wanna leave a little bit of hair out, and then I just roll it up. And when you roll it up, you never want the hair to roll on top of each other, is what I learned. You wanna make sure it's going across the whole barrel to give that full effect. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick my hair. You guys, I'm not a pro at this. You guys know I'm new to short hair. I just cut my hair in December. Yeah, like that. So yeah, it's not great. I'm not a professional or anything, but it's cute. I still feel like it's cute, and I'm learning, and the more I curl my hair and practice the technique, then I will get better, and it'll come out. Don't you think this is so satisfying? Like, look how organized and beautiful it is. Go Target.
I remember every word you said, every coffee in your tiny bed. If I could have another chance to be.
Alright, you guys, so we're back from Target, and I am gonna go ahead and reorganize my refrigerator, kind of clean it out and all of that good stuff, so we can put the new food in here and get some of this old stuff out. Plus, we are finally gonna put this in. I have not put it in yet because I only had a few eggs in my little egg container. Yeah, anyway, I got this from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below in the description box. It's super cool, and it has this flat top too, so then you can store things on top of it and all of that good stuff. Exciting. This is the start of my refrigerator organization collection. Out because we don't really drink beer. They're just in there from our last family visit, so I'm only going to keep a couple in there and take the rest out so we can have more room.
Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. Alright,
so I've cleaned out the refrigerator. It's completely empty, and I'm going to go ahead and use this Clean Packs non-toxic kitchen cleaner for inside the refrigerator. It's a concentrate, super non-toxic, and it's by the company Clean Pack. And what I'm not doing today, but you want to make sure that if you can go ahead and take the glass off these frames here, or you can pull the whole thing out, and that just makes it easier for you to actually clean in the cracks here where there might be some buildup in these cracks where the glass sits. But because I clean mine often, there's not a lot of buildup in there at all, so I just need to really wipe down the glass and clean out the drawers. So that's all I'm doing today. But if you needed to know how to really properly clean your fridge, that would be the best tip I would give you.
Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be.
And now we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other.
Alright, so the refrigerator is all done. I am so excited, you guys. And don't mind my husband, Remy, what are you doing in there? Don't mind my hubby, he's in here working out, so.
No. No. No more pictures.
He's so crazy. So anyway, focus. Oh well. Remy, come here. Remy, good boy. All right, so I'm all done with the refrigerator. I wanted to show you the aftermath. It's just super organized and beautiful to me. I did the best I can. I am no pro. The sauces are still kind of like, there's not much I could do with them right now. I might have to look up and see how other people manage their sauces, but I wiped them down and cleaned them up and everything and just reorganized it and threw away the old ones. We have nothing over here. I always keep a baking soda in here just to keep the freshness of the food in the refrigerator. And yeah, this is it. Oh, that's so cute.
Hi, Ava. How was school?
Was school good? What did you learn at school today?
Play toy.
You learned toys today? What else did you learn?
And going potty, wash my hands, and flush my toilet.
And flush your toilet? Aww.
Can I drive it over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I zoomed in on you, Isaiah. You okay, Mama? Don't cry. It's just a toy car. Don't cry. You're not scared. There's nothing to be afraid of. But it is loud. Alright, you guys, so I think I'm going to close out the vlog because I've kind of been vlogging all day long and it's already like 6:30 in the evening. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you stayed till the end, I love you. Thank you. Please let me know what you got your hubby for Father's Day. If you got him anything, or if you, or your boyfriend, or your kids' dad, or if you aren't married or you're not with anybody, just tell me down below what you got for your father or whatever. So anyway, I would love to know those ideas and kind of what you guys got the men in your life. And go ahead and please subscribe if you are new and you just been watching me and you don't know who I am. There's a lot of other videos down below you can check out. You could subscribe. Don't forget to hit the alarm, because if you don't hit the little notification bell, you're not going to get any of my videos anyway unless you remember to check my channel. So you always want to turn that on when you subscribe to somebody, because that's going to actually let you see the video or send you the video, so you're not missing out on any of their great videos. So give me a like and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you and bye.